Hey guys, it's Matt Bebout here. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you on our way home from a get-together for the youth for church, and I just thought of something. I'd posted some stuff earlier today, and I posted different little comments on Facebook, and I was like, what's going on? No one is commenting, no one is liking my post. And I thought, I at least can tick somebody off now and again, so what's going on here? Why is nobody seeing this? I posted something like, is anyone seeing my post? Well, come to find out, the privacy settings were set so that only I could see that. And that's a lot like business. That's a lot of like getting our product out there, getting our network marketing business out there. If we just keep that to ourselves, if we're fearful to talk to people, if we're afraid of rejection, it's a lot like that post on Facebook. No one's going to see it, no one's going to hear it, and they're going to hear it from someone else, they're going to see it from someone else. And so I encourage you today to share the opportunity you have. You have value to give to people, and there are people out there that are willing to take a look at it and get involved with you. Yes, you're going to get a lot of no's. Yes, you're going to get a lot of rejection. You're going to encounter a lot of negative people. But don't hoard what you have to share with the world. Just talk to people and share with people. This is Matt Bebout saying, don't talk about it, be about it. We'll see you soon.